Hello and welcome to Sudsies. Today I'd like to introduce you to our signature shirt service, designed specifically for your classic cotton shirts.
If you have shirts that are 100% cotton, traditionally full cut, and capable of withstanding high temperatures, our signature shirt service is perfect for you. These are your everyday, classic fit shirts with no darts, no unique buttons, and no special appointments like appliques or flaps. At Sudsies, we understand the importance of maintaining the quality and longevity of your garments. Our signature shirt service uses specialized cleaning techniques that preserve the fabric's integrity while ensuring it looks crisp and fresh. We use high-quality detergents and advanced machinery that cater specifically to cotton, ensuring your shirts are cleaned at the right temperature to remove stains and odors effectively. Sudsies' expert team takes great care in the finishing process as well. We use professional pressing equipment to give your shirts that sharp, clean look, perfect for any formal or casual setting. Each shirt is inspected thoroughly to ensure it meets our high standards before it's returned to you. By choosing our signature shirt service, you can rest assured that your classic cotton shirts will maintain their quality and look their best. Thank you for your continued trust in Sudsies Dry Cleaners. As always, we look forward to taking care of you and your wardrobe.
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful or enjoyable, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more informative content like this. This gesture means a lot to us and helps us create better videos in the future. Oh, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. Thank you for being part of the Sudsies community.